Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see the Mentality of Money series episode 8 Financial Tales Impact. Financial narrative refers to the stories and beliefs that individuals have about money and wealth. Whether shaped by individual experiences, cultural influences, or social norms, these narratives can profoundly influence economic attitudes, practices, and outcomes. Below are key points that highlight the impact of financial narratives. Beliefs and attitudes. Financial stories shape a person's beliefs and attitudes about money. These stories range from viewing money as a source of security and freedom to associating it with negative feelings such as greed and guilt. These beliefs and approaches affect financial decisions and tolerance with comprehensive financial risks and wealth. Risk practices. Financial data plays a role in determining a person's approach to risk. People whose stories emphasize the potential benefits of taking risks are more likely to engage in speculative investments and entrepreneurial ventures. Conversely, those with narratives that focus on financial security may be more risk-averse and cautious in their financial choices. Financial habits and practices. Financial stories help develop financial habits and practices. For example, a person who fears scarcity or poverty may exhibit practices such as money hoarding, over-thrift, and an aversion to investment. Conversely, those whose stories emphasize abundance or wealth creation may be more inclined to take proactive steps toward financial growth and wealth accumulation. Perceptions of success and failure. Financial narratives influence how people perceive success and failure in relation to money. Some stories associate financial success with self-worth and well-being, leading to a relentless pursuit of wealth. Other stories may emphasize the non-financial aspects of success, such as feelings of accomplishment, happiness, and positive impact. These perceptions shape one's goals and priorities when making financial decisions. Bias in financial decision-making. Financial stories can contribute to biases that affect financial decision-making. For example, confirmation bias drives individuals to seek and interpret information consistent with existing financial narratives, potentially leading to narrower perspectives and limited consideration of alternative perspectives. Financial narratives can also reinforce cognitive biases such as anchoring, where individuals rely heavily on initial information or norms to make financial judgments. Social and cultural influences. Financial stories are often shaped by social and cultural influences. Family background, societal expectations, and cultural norms all contribute to the story an individual adopts. For example, the discovery of cultural accounts of physical wealth can be the importance of savings and impact on financial practices within society or society. Self-presentation predictions. Financial accounts can become expected to self ratio. When a person firmly believes in a particular financial story, it may subconsciously lead them to make decisions that align with that story and confirm their initial beliefs. This reinforces and perpetuates the story and shapes future practices and financial results. Understanding the impact of financial narratives is crucial for individuals to critically evaluate their beliefs and attitudes toward money. Recognizing the narratives that influence financial decision-making allows individuals to challenge limiting beliefs, adopt healthier financial narratives, and make more informed choices aligned with their financial goals and values. It also offers the possibility of reshaping the social narrative around money to promote more inclusive, equitable, and sustainable financial practices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.